Listen to this. Hello?
Hey Troy,
What's up?
I just bought this doormat from IKEA and I want to know if you could engrave on it.
Nope.
Why you doing it? Why you do that?
Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time here, I do project videos using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Welcome to the project. Today, we are going to engrave on a doormat. Doormat. Yeah. This doormat. First thing we got to do is we got to make sure the mat fits inside of the Glowforge. See, this mat measures 15 3/4 by 23 3/4, and the Glowforge bed is like 20 by 12. So I'm going to show you how I plan on doing this. I'm definitely going to remove the cutting tray. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get the measurements between this metal piece right here and this metal piece right here, and we got about 23 inches. Okay, so now we know we got about 23 inches to work with, and the rug is 23 inches and 3/4. So I'm gonna cut off about an inch off of the rug, and I'm gonna use these snippers that I got right here to cut it off. It can move up and down like so. Fits like a glove. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna raise the doormat up because I don't have anything under it, so it's sitting directly on the bed of the Glowforge. One thing you gotta keep in mind when you're raising up something in the Glowforge is you gotta make sure you watch out for this part right here, but because this part also moves with the laser head, as you can see, so you don't want it to get caught on anything. So I know we're gonna raise the doormat up about an inch. So it's gonna be something like right here. Okay, I ended up getting 9 sheets of medium draft board, which measures all 1/8 inch thick. And all 9 of these sheets together equals about 1 1/4 of an inch. We have the mat end, we have it on top of the draft board, and it's also right above the little metal piece that I was talking about. So you can easily slide it and it's not hitting the doormat. So now we can start the engraving. But we gotta design something to put on it. Okay, now we're in Corel Draw, and this is the design that she wants on it. It just says, "Hello Gorgeous." We use the font, I think the font was called Happy Birthday. I think that's the font that this is called. And this whole thing measures 18 inches long or 18 inches wide and 10 inches in height. And that's the design that we're going to go with. We're going to do all engraving. So let's head over to Glowforge Print so I can show y'all the settings. Okay, so these are the settings that I'm going to go with. We're going to go up here to engrave. We're going to go to manual. I'm going to go with 1000 speed, and I'm going to go with 50% power, convert to dots, and lines per inch 225. I'm gonna leave the focus height at auto. I powered on the laser so we can get a good time of how long this engrave is going to take. Okay, let's see how long this engrave is gonna take. Go over here and press ready. It's gonna take this engrave 2 hours and 17 minutes. Time lapse. And there you have it. Engraving on a doormat. I believe this is the longest engrave I have done. Now I did a quarter map some time ago. I think that was the longest, but this engrave actually took over 2 hours. So this probably is the longest engrave that I have done. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else. Hello, gorgeous.